So in this case, the focus of the earthquake was under high Atlas, and here the convergent boundaries and the compressive forces with the transform boundary has resulted into what we call as a right lateral oblique slip thrust fault. First of all, this is a reverse faulting case, reverse faulting where the compressional force are active, and as the compressional forces are active over here in this direction, it results in the movement of this particular hanging wall upwards and this one downwards. So there is first of all a movement that has taken place like this. Along with that, there has been a movement that is lateral movement also, in which the movement looks like this. Now this movement is called as right lateral shift. Right lateral shift, as in with respect to this plate, a person is standing over here. For this person, this part has moved towards the person's right, and likewise for a person standing over here, it has moved also towards the right. So this is a right lateral.